chevron? Look at this thing. I did not plan on taking this thing to the snow.
My hands are already pretty cold.
All right, let's go for a drive. So if you ever wondered what an M4 performed like with performance tires in the snow or the ice, here you go. I wouldn't recommend it, I'll just tell you that. That's why I don't recommend it. Oh. And you can hear the performance tires picking up all the rocks, all the gravel. My car is filthy right now. Okay, we got another sports car. I'm not the only one out here. I seen a Shelby earlier. That was like the second Camaro I think I seen. Change required. Alrighty, well, we don't have any chains, so we'll see how this goes. Chains required, and this is the nicest road I've seen in I don't know how long. Hopefully I don't jinx it. Rough road ahead. Wet in here? Wet in here. Passable snow on the road. Hopefully that isn't the case, because I literally have no gas. This is the chevron?
Yeah, it says chevron right there.
Are we able to get gas?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Wow, look at this thing. Filthy. I did not plan on taking this thing to the snow, but here we are. Let's get some gas. Gas ain't bad over here. You'd think they'd charge more. It ain't show, but it'll have to do. I say gas ain't bad, and that's because in most places where there ain't a lot of gas stations, yesterday, I forgot where we were. It was like in the field type areas, you know, like inland. And they were trying to charge like $7 for premium. 516, I'll take it. All right, let's get up out of here. Watch out for those patches of ice. Icy next 1 mile. Driving this, it reminds me of Forza, and it's crazy. Somebody reminded me the other day when I first got this car. Actually, I literally created a BMW It wasn't an M4 because they didn't have it. I think it was an E92. Same color, everything. Literally created it in Forza. And I didn't even remember when I got this car. I didn't even remember I did that. So from Forza to real life, you got the POV. Reference, let me know if you guys like this style of video with the window cracked a little so you can hear like the turbo and the engine and the exhaust a little more, or if you like it closed. I like it open just from like, you know, being in person. I can hear the turbo, as opposed to closed I can't hear it. But you guys let me know. That guy was cool. He gave us some information on the way up. In front of us, they're going pretty quick compared to how a normal person usually drives.